right.
Want to stand out from the rest? Well, I got the perfect J's for that. Check these out. The Jordan 12s. Welcome back, Icons, and if you're new to the channel, we do tech reviews, unboxings, fashion tips, and car mod reviews. Let's check these Jordan 12s out. These Jordan 12s are known as the Gym Red Editions, or what many people like to call them, the Red Octobers, like the Yeezys. Check these out. These retail for $190. If you can't get your hands on them, I have a link down below from Amazon where you can get to on your size. The Jordan 12s, as you see here, has the Jordan logo with the word TWO and the number 3 on the ton itself. It has hints of chromed out red accents that appear on the lace hoops and the midfoot Jumpman badge, as you see here. The shoe is made out of leather and synthetic or supple suede upper. The bottom of the shoe has hints of carbon fiber, which is used for enhanced responsiveness of the shoe, and also it gives it a cool wow factor in the bottom of the shoe. Just check it out. Look how nice it looks with the red and the black accents of carbon fiber. I really like these shoes. They're really comfortable, they're cool, and the colors are very unique and durable, and has great ankle support, and is very stylish. Just look at this. The material on the top is soft, and then you have the little pebble feel on the bottom of where the Jumpman logo is located. And this is the back with the Jordan and this number 23 with the Jordan on the pull tab. Inside you have the Jordan logo and the sole is black. Like I said before, the pros for these shoes are they're comfortable, they're cool, the colors are unique, it's durable, and good ankle support, and it's very stylish. Just look at them. The only bad thing that I don't like about these shoes is that they crease very easily, so you gotta always be careful the way you walk and make sure you don't bend your shoes. They get dirty very fast, and they're not very breathable, and they're kinda heavy on your feet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, don't be regular, be iconic. See you on the next one, everybody. Peace.